Today we're talking about our top 3 favorite mods, starting with solar. So we have added not only 800 watts of bifacial monocrystalline panels, which actually looking back, I think the ones from Escape look an awful lot better, but also 1200 watts to our truck. Now we live full time and this allows us to not have to have a generator or go to RV parks or campgrounds. We boondock 100% of the time in this setup. For example, here we're running our fridge off of electric and we're running the air fryer and occasionally even the air conditioner. This allows us to be 100% off grid, and that is a wonderful thing. It's also completely silent. It is more than paid for itself, I suspect. Now the next one is right above us. This is an inverter-based rooftop air conditioner. We have tested many air conditioners and we love the experiments, but some work an awful lot better than others. This guy has heat and cooling, and we can run it entirely off of our batteries. In fact, if we were to run it, let's say it's 35 Fahrenheit overnight, we set this guy to about 65 so that we're comfortable, but we're not taking up too much power. Out of our 700 amp hours of battery storage, we will still be about 50% or so by the morning. That's pretty impressive, especially for heating. As compared to a heat strip, this is a reverse heat pump. So it can do air conditioning and heating in the same level of efficiency. It's just been a wonderful thing. And it's not the quietest thing in the world, but for the efficiency trade-off, we love it. Now for the last upgrade, it's a little bit simpler than the first two. We use 2 blankets, one of which is a goose down comforter. This thing is so freaking warm. I mean, in the winters, what we do is we actually use our propane furnace. We'll keep it on the lowest level. That just keeps everything from freezing. And then this guy, if we're not careful, it'll sweat us out. We have to actually push that blanket down, which is really nice. And then we'll double that up with our quilt here. Now the quilts though, comes in handy in the summer because we'll take that comforter, put it under our bed, and the quilt, if it's over even 55 degrees Fahrenheit, this is plenty warm. A little bit of something, I can't sleep without a blanket. So this is a wonderful upgrade and it doesn't require any power. Hopefully these mods help you get a little creative with your own trailer and make your Escape trailer home. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.